That's pretty, huh? 1 hour ago, it was 95 degrees, like 90% humidity. Now this. The barbecue will go on.
You're up.
Oh yeah, so what I was going to say is we had a little problem with the air conditioning today, as in it stopped working and it was like 95 degrees, hottest day of the freaking year. So
that was yesterday.
Which means it was 105 in the house. So we got home from running errands today and we started seeing some clouds come in, and we decided that we needed to wish for rain to cool things down. And you have to be careful what you wish for because it poured and it finally let up enough where we could get the barbecue lit. And so now we're having a lot of vegetables and salmon. The Team Beachbody meal, right? So, what else do we need to say, baby, to our loyal Team Beachbody fans?
Somehow you're about to cook in the house in the 90 degrees.
We're going to cook in the house, and we couldn't even turn the oven on because it was so damn hot. So, what else about our menu? Tequila, what's it called?
Fiesta.
Tequila lime.
Fiesta? Yep. Fiesta?
Yeah, Fiesta salmon. That's it. Something we just invented. And everything's organic, except for those peppers.
Better stuff with cheese, by the way. Goat cheese.
Goat cheese, that's right. That is in those peppers, but that's a special thing. Organic, and wild Pacific salmon. So.
And quinoa.
Oh yeah, I also have an organic quinoa wild rice mixture. We'll give you a picture. You ready, baby?
I am.
Awesome. Turn the lights down. Oh, that's dark. That's very dark.
It was otherwise going to be 90 degrees.
Oh yeah. No, it's nice out. Here we go. In our rain, what are we calling it? Rainstorm barbecue. And who are you?
I am Heather Bell, independent Team Beachbody coach.
AKA?
Yes.
AKA what?
Your fiance?
That and Team...
Team Tank.
Yeah, there you go.
I was really enjoying that.